En esta sesión hablaremos del problema y la solución del enmascaramiento de datos.
Today we're going to talk about static data masking. So first, to talk about the problem. The problem we have is that we want to use production data in our test environments. We want to do that because we believe that by testing with production data, we're going to have a better test. We also want to use large volumes of data. It's very difficult to have a very large amount of test data that is realistic. And using production data in test and development allows us to do that. Obviously, this creates a lot of security problems. The test systems are not secured. There's a lot of unapproved individuals that have access to those systems, and they have direct access to the data, so there's no real protection by the application to prevent them from seeing the data or modifying the data, and so on and so on. Generally speaking, it's a huge exposure that is completely unnecessary, except for the fact that we want to have better testing. So what's the solution? The solution is to mask the data, and that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, when we're masking the data, there are three things we want to do simultaneously, and this is the challenge. First thing we want to do is that we want to remove the sensitive data. Of course, that's the whole point. The second thing we want to do at the same time is to maintain application integrity. That means data validity, data consistency, relationships within the data. We want the application to be able to continue to use the data. If it's a credit card, it needs to have a valid checksum. If there's a relationship between two tables, two columns, we need to maintain those relationships. The data need to keep being real. And the third part, which is potentially the most important, or just as important, is to maintain test quality, potentially even important. But if we cannot maintain test quality, if the data that we masked does not give us the same quality of testing, then there's no point in the whole exercise. Right? So we want to remove the sensitive data and maintain the test quality at the same time. Just to clarify, this is a one-way masking. After we do the masking, the original data is gone. The masked data is not reversible. There's no way to get the original data from the masked data. This is a one-way process. This is not encryption. It's completely non-reversible, okay?